let's start to how to cut wedges cut. So wedges cut means when you are using lemon, you are using tomato. So there is cut that is used for the wedges cut. So what you have to do, you have to cut into half and then cut into then half. Okay. Okay. So this is the wedge. You can move. You can go for the one more cut. Okay. For example, you can cut more less than that, but not less than that. Example, I just give you example. When you cut lemon, so when you just squeeze the lemon, you have to cut like that for squeezing. Okay, so that is lemon wedges. It's just like a wedges. So got my point? This is cut is known as lemon wedges. Okay, thank you.